Best wishes for Easter and Vaisakhi. So today we just thought of discussing about the dates of these pandemics, when it is likely to end. There is a probability because as Pluto, which is the main cause, like it has been in 900 years, 3 times in the same degree with Jupiter, and 3 times the pandemics have happened. At the moment also it is the same position. So Jupiter and Pluto are still together, but on the 25th of April it will retrograde, means it will take a U-turn and start going backward. So once a planet goes backward, it stops moving forward. So Pluto, as it reaches on the 25th and retrograde, most likely this pandemic is going to slow down by the time. And before that, because when a planet retrogrades, before it possesses huge strength, the numbers are likely to increase. When it is likely to have a slow position and the pandemic getting slower, and it will take time till the Jupiter gets retrograde, that's on the 16th of May. So in between the time, it's going to slow down. This is a probability, this is what I think. And also, when we see like Rahu Ketu getting exalted on the 20th of September, and 20th of September Rahu Ketu gets exalted, and then again in the first week of November, Jupiter and Pluto will enter the last degree of Sagittarius, where it actually started, this pandemic. In the first week of November, they will start again. So there is a probability of resurgence of pandemic, of this virus, maybe in a mutated form. So most likely we have to understand that the world leaders should actually be on alert, like it may happen. So to beat the pandemic before it comes is the best thing. And also because how to increase the immunity as in relation to the planets, that's very important.
So the planets involved to facilitate this pandemic will be Jupiter, Venus, Saturn and Mars. So if this pandemic resurfaces in the beginning of November 2020, taking minerals connected to these 4 planets will strengthen the immunity system and also combat this disease. Minerals connected to Jupiter is potassium, Venus is zinc, Saturn is iron, and Mars is sodium. So these minerals should preferably be taken in a natural form, and if not, supplements would also do.
In the natural form also, like the zinc, the planet which is connected is Venus. So the 4 planets which will play the whole game in this pandemic is Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto and Venus. So Jupiter in the best form, the mineral is turmeric
milk,
curcumin and other things like potassium basically. For Saturn it is iron, spirulina is the best source, and other things like black pepper. Zinc is very important. So you can take supplement of zinc as well,
or sesame seeds in the natural
form.
form.
And also for Mars, the best is like sodium. It connects sodium. So sodium, you find a lot of sodium in the olives. So by taking these in natural forms, one can be protected. So this is what I think the dates, because 24th April, Pluto retrogrades, it should start slowing down. The slow down process to be an end to pandemic should start then, and by 16th of May, when Jupiter retrogrades, I think it should come to a standstill and start vanishing. So that's what I wanted to discuss about it. Be safe, be healthy, all the best. God bless you.